Where's the key? I'm serious. Let me out.
Just chill, bro. You're good. You're good.
Bro, where's the fucking key? Get me off this fucking handcuff. Look at this fucking guy.
There's no fucking key.
Move, I know it's in here.
There's no fucking key in here, nigga.
Give me it. Give it.
Stop. No.
Give it.
No.
I got the key. Hey, open this fucking bitch.
Good luck.
This is the wrong fucking key, bro.
There's only one key.
Oh, here it is. Oh, gosh. That ain't no joke. I shouldn't have back seat. Let me out. What if I had a watch on? They'll break it?
Now uncuff yourself. Wait, give me it. Let me lock it.
Hold on, let me turn it.
Why are you gonna turn it?
Because it's weird. Okay, so
it's like this. Look, give me it. Look, let me. You did it wrong, by the way.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did. 1 second. I'm gonna show you how you're supposed to do it. Okay, this way. Okay, 1 second. And yeah. Now, give me it. 1 second.
The fuck are you trying to do to me? What are you doing? What is that?
It's the lock. Okay. Now uncuff yourself.
I'm sure that's pretty simple.
You get it? It makes it a little bit harder. You get it now? That's why they do it inward.
What'd you fucking do? It's not even turning.
It's locked. You gotta double. Now let me handcuff you to your wrist.
To my what?
Behind your back. And then I dare you to come out.
What do you mean by my hand?
Behind
My
your
hands can't reach like that.
Yeah, they can right there.
Alright, go.
Alright, 1 second. You gotta take off the other cuff because it gotta change.
No, how am I supposed to do it?
You gotta figure it out. You get it? Yeah, bring down the back piece. So you can have more room.
Hold on, guys. I have to try to uncuff myself.
Come on, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Okay, first give me this hand. Okay. Move your shirt. Move your fucking shirt. Okay, that's good. Okay, now this one.
Oh my god. I can't stretch my arm. Ow! Ow!
Fuck up!
No, that hurts! Get it off!
Okay.
Get it
You
off!
don't even have to lock it. Well, there's no way you're getting out of this.
Give me the key.
Yeah.
Let me out. No, undo it. Undo it. Can't open the window. I can't breathe.
Relax.
Open the fucking window. I'm suffocating.
Relax. I opened the sunroof.
Where's the hole?
You're not gonna find it. There's no way. Don't drop the key because there's no way I'm gonna get it from between the seat.
This key is very slippery. My hand is sweating. I'm serious. At least point out to where the fucking hole is.
Okay, it's on the opposite
Ow,
side.
my shoulder's cracking.
It's on the opposite side.
Oh, God, no.
Yo.
Nasa, get it out. Come on, let me out. Let me out the fucking handcuffs, bro.
That's what we get.
Get them off.
We're 5 minutes
Ow!
in traffic.
No, my shoulder. Well, it hurts.
You're so fucking stupid. Yo, yeah, it's the wrong side.
F is the wrong side. Ow. Take it off. You're gonna lock it. Don't press the button.
I'm not pressing anything.
Take it off, bro. I can't.
The key's right here. That's the keyhole.
Where?
Okay, no, I'm showing everybody else. That's the keyhole. The key is in his hand right there. There's here. Oh,
get it!
He just got the key. It's on top. There you go. You almost had it. There. Oh! It fell. Wait, I got it. I'm gonna reach in the ass a little bit.
Seriously,
Okay, I'm gonna
unlock
give you the key.
it. I can't fucking move.
Okay, I put it in the hole. Now it's up to you. It's in the fucking hole.
I can't reach.
I swear, it's in
My
the
arm hurts.
There you go. You got it. Twist it. Twist it. Yes. There you go.
God.
My boy Tay back.
It's not fucking funny.
That was pretty funny.
Look at my fucking wrist. You can't see from the fucking light. It's not a fucking joke. Why do you have handcuffs in here? Aren't you like on a fucking break or some shit? Didn't you take vacation?
Well, never on vacation.
Oh god, look at this. Look at that.
Yo, this is so bad. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on?
Look at this.
Give me the fucking Give me the case.
Give me a button.
No, I'm gonna put it on.
Give me the fucking thing.
You don't gotta close them.
Shut up. True fucking ever.
Bitch. You're fucking crying like a little bitch.
Yeah, anyone would fucking cry. It shit hurts.
You act like you've never been in
Move. Oh my god, bro. He lagged off? Who lagged off? Who lagged off?
I need a ride or die.
My wrist would slide right out, lol. Nah, those are fucking small handcuffs. Ain't no one sliding out that shit.
This is standard size.
Oh my god, that shit hurt. My fucking shoulder was like snapping. My hair is bothering me, it hurts.
Your hands?
My hair. I got bruises when I was in cuffs and it was for like 20 minutes. I feel like the circulation got cut off.
It did.
Miss me, bro? John Taylor, how you been, man? Long time no see.
Got a fucking gallon Red Bull. Look at the size of this thing.
I just sit in the back seat.
Well, look at the size of this fucking thing. The size of his fucking head.
I just sit in the back seat.
Yo, you don't stop. Squeeze it tighter.
No, you shut up.
Stop playing with those. We're gonna get pulled over, bro.
No one will know I'm handcuffed, look. Right? No one knows I'm handcuffed.
So you're bugging the fuck out. Yo, tell me I won't.
At least Wally, you won't.
Huh?
Wally, you won't.
I won't fucking throw the key.
Stop! Don't even joke. Don't even joke. Give me the key.
Tell me I won't. No. Tell me I won't.
Stop! I'm not stupid. I know you won't. You'll lose your key.
Just happened. Where the fuck did it go? I swear, I just fucking dropped it. Yo, I just fucking dropped the fucking key.
Officer!
Yo, you're a fucking dumb bitch. I just dropped the key, seriously. I can't fucking find it, I swear to God.
So how do you drop it?
I'll leave on my life. I fucking dropped it. I don't know where the fucking...
Nasa, don't be a fucking dick.
No, I swear.
I'm not driving like this. I'm not sitting in the car like
can't
this.
fucking find it, bro. What the fuck?
Where's the fucking key?
Yo, we'll find it when we get out.
Why you have to take it out? Why you have to take it out? Why you have to touch it? Don't touch
I could have sworn it fucking fell.
Shut up, don't fuck with me. I swear, I'll call the cops. I swear to God, I'll call the fucking cops.
Yo. You're good, just smoke a cigarette,
Don't tell me what to do.
Smoke a cigarette.
Find the key, Nasser. I want to
Bro,
get my
I
fucking...
can't find it right now. Like, what the fuck? It's a small-ass fucking key. It fell. I think it's in the car.
Pull the fucking car over with this goddamn traffic and find it.
No, you're fucking bugging the fuck out. Come on.
He is the stupidest person I've ever met in my life. Do you guys know that?
Yo, stop that. That hurt my heart. That hurt my feelings.
Yeah, and this is hurting my wrists.
You cuffed yourself this time.
Yeah, and you played with the fucking key and dropped it under your fucking
accident.
dirty ass seat.
It was a fucking accident.
Find it. Find it.
I don't
Find
know where
it.
the fuck it went. Bro, it's not that serious. You don't need it.
Yeah, it is that serious. I wish a cop
Should
sees
I uncuff him?
I wish a cop sees me.
What they saying? Should I uncuff you? Yes or no? I don't know where the key is. I have a spare in the house though.
Should he uncuff me? No!
There you go.
I will block.
No. That's it.
I'm gonna block
no,
him. I'm gonna block all these
no.
people.
You ain't doing shit.
Don't you say no. Don't you say it. See, go on that fucking road.
There's no... How the fuck am I gonna get there? Really?
What?
Stop.
Leave
Stop.
it. Don't lock the
Okay,
window.
Don't be hot with it, bro.
Why? Don't be hot with it. I like being hot. Help! Help me!
Yo, if you don't stop right now...
Uncuff me. Where's the fucking key?
I told you, it fucking fell. It's in the fucking car.
Put your fucking car in park and find it.
Really? In traffic? On the fucking highway?
This is starting to hurt.
Don't tighten it.
I'm not gonna tighten. I'm trying to open it.
Yeah, good luck.
I could break through this.
Yeah, go ahead. If you could break through that, I'll give you $1,000.
If I could, like...
Yeah, I'll give you $1,000. I'll pay your car note, I swear, for the next 3 months. How about that?
Ah, don't you touch my fucking cigarette.
Ashing all over you.
Don't you touch my motherfucking cigarette. Beat your fucking ass.
Look at your shirt.
Don't you fucking touch my cigarette.
Brit.
You have a wrench in here?
No. Who the fuck walks around with a wrench? I got a pen. Well, it would be pretty cool if I had a paperclip, right? You could try to break out. Read that pen.
Babeland?
Yeah, read it. Yo, really? You fucking up my pens.
It's just fucking up my wrist. It hurts.
Stupid fuck. Fucking up my pen.
It's tight. It hurts. You're the idiot that lost the key, not Tay. Exactly. Find the fucking key.
Bro, it's not that serious. Death itself is not that serious.
You always say that. Shut up.
Shut up. Yo, really? We're fucking 5 minutes away. All this traffic.
Shit.
Yo, the more you move, the tighter it gets. Because I didn't lock it.
It hurts so bad.
You just tightened it.
I was trying to click his button.
I told you, don't fucking tighten it. It's gonna stop the circulation. Once your hands turn green, I'll really look for the key.
Bro, look how... This is not funny. I need to be able to hold my phone up when I broadcast. If I lose my hand, then what?
If your hand turns green, I swear I'll stop and I'll really look.
My hand won't turn green. It'll turn purple.
Purple and then it turns green before... Yo, Yo, you the stupidest fuck I ever met. Are you fucking stupid?
This looks like rubber.
Rubber? Looks like rubber, right? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
It hurts, it hurts, it hurts!
Yeah.
It hurts!
Yeah. Why the fuck you tighten that? I told you, don't fucking tighten it.
It hurts.
Should I look for the key? Yes or no, guys? Let me know.
They're saying yes. It really hurts this hand.
Your fans want to see you in some pain. A little bit of pain never hurt anybody. I'm gonna look for the key. I think I found it. I think that's it between the seat and the fucking...
Get it, get it, get it!
I got it. 1 second. I got it.
Come on, it hurts.
Oh shit.
What?
It fell all the way down.
Park the fucking car and get the fucking thing.
At least we know where the key is. It's in the car with us.
Can't get any tighter than this. This shit hurts, man.
Let me see.
No.
No, let me see. Bring it a little closer.
Oh, no!
Yeah, it can get tighter. You guys heard that shit? No.
Bro, it's tight. Look, I can't even close my hands. It's hard.
I'm gonna get the key right now. Just stop. Stop bitching. Stop fucking bitching. I need a pen to reach it. 1 second.
Why is it like that? Why does it get hard?
Tighten the other one on the left.
Oh, it hurts.
I'm trying to get it, bro. I got it.
Where? Get it! Give it!
Nope.
Give it!
Not so fast.
Give it!
1 second. I'll make a deal with you. Okay.
This hand hurts.
Shut the fuck up. You want the key? Do you want the key?
Yeah.
Okay, shut up. This is
Stop
what you gotta
playing.
do.
Come on.
This is what you gotta do, guys. You guys get to ask him one personal question, and he has to answer it truthfully.
They've asked me so many questions before.
No.
Can I get to choose the question to ask?
I don't know. Who gets to choose?
He low-key wants that promo. Oh my god, you see, look. That's my bone. It's against my bone.
Yeah, I know. So pick a fucking question and answer it.
Will you stop smoking? Yes!
No, that's a fucking stupid question. Are you gay?
It depends on who the guy is.
What? The fuck? The fuck is going on over here? You
trying to say you won't suck Brad Pitt's dick?
No, fuck that. Hell no.
I would.
I'll fucking
Ow, bro, it's starting to hurt. It's starting to hurt.
No.
Ow.
Are you gay?
No. Yes, I am.
No, seriously, let's get a real question.
Will you lose weight? Yes.
Oh god, you're a fat bitch.
Come on.
Yo, how much you weigh?
270.
Fuck.
Come on. I'm about to be 270 on top of your dumb ass. You better give me that fucking key.
Yo, that's too much. Wait. Stop.
Ow!
Stop. Stop.
Oh.
Stop.
Oh.
Stop. I've done this before.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I've done this before. Don't worry. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
What are you doing?
Pick it up. I want the camera to see it. I want the camera to see you bleed right now.
What are you doing? No!
Come. Let me cut you.
No! Pay attention to the fucking road!
If you cut yourself, make yourself bleed, then it's good.
How about I stab you?
I swear.
Give me the fucking key.
Stop.
Give me the fucking... Stop moving my hand!
Stop
moving... There's the cops.
Stop.
Officer! Officer! Give me the fucking key.
Grab the fucking knife.
Open the fucking window. I can't breathe.
I'm gonna turn on the heat if you don't stop.
Ow, stop it. Don't move my fucking wrist.
Okay, come.
I'm gonna cut you. I'm gonna fucking cut you. I'm gonna fucking cut you.
You want the key?
Yes.
Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put it down.
Okay, I put it down. Don't touch it. Ow.
Pass the fucking knife.
Off.
The knife fell.
I can't reach that.
That's the fucking knife.
I can't reach it.
No?
Ow, stop. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Don't fucking touch me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, stop. Ow! Come on, it's kind of circulation. I can't close my hand anymore.
Okay.
Unlock my window now. Unlock my fucking window. I can't breathe. Turn the AC on. How you turn it on?
No, don't fucking touch anything. You turn it on the heat. You want the heat on?
No, stop.
You
Put
feel
the
that?
AC on. I can't breathe.
Here's the key.
Give me.
Oh man, that was too funny. What the fuck is going on, bro? What the fuck is going on? This cannot be happening right now.
Why is it so hard to turn?
We've been in this traffic for 4 hours. Seriously, what the fuck is going on?
Ow. Oh.
It's not that bad. I've seen it get worse. Stop. Whatever you're fucking thinking, you better think twice. I got a knife in my hand. Stop playing with them. Put them away.
Ooh.
Put the cuffs away.
Oh my god. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at my fucking wrist. Look at my fucking wrist.
They were pretty tight.
Look at my fucking wrist.
Show them traffic that we're in.
Show the traffic.
Yeah. Look at this shit.
Do not ever handcuff. You know what?
So I'm driving.
Give me your hand. Give me your
driving.
wrist.
I'm driving. No, you fucking dumb fuck. I just taught you 2 seconds ago. You don't fucking...
How doesn't it work?
Look, give me it.
Don't touch me.
I'm just gonna show you
Oh.
there. No, not there.
Ow! Don't touch me. I'll fucking handcuff myself.
Look. Hit this part.
Alright. Don't touch me.
But, yeah, no, stupid. Yo, you stupid as
Leave me alone.
shit.
Leave me alone. This is how to handcuff yourself 101 with Mr. Cashier. Leave it.
Come. Give me.
I'm holding the fucking key.
Okay, you call it.
Unlock my window! Unlock it! Unlock it! I can't fucking breathe!
Give me a hand.
Unlock the window first!
Okay, here.
Holy shit!
That's enough. Okay, look. You keep it like this. Then when you hit yourself, right here, on the soft part, not on the fucking bone, like right here. Understand? Or you can hit yourself right here on this side, like this.
Do it, let me see. Alright, get out of here, bitch ass motherfucker.
It's pretty hot in here, you fucking bitch. Put them away, stop playing with them. You're gonna get hurt.
It's not a fucking joke. Guys.
It's not a game, guys.
You don't want to get handcuffed, I'll tell you that much. He's a cop, by the way.
The officer of the law.
He's an officer of the fucking law. Oh, by the way, my license is suspended. What you gonna do about it, bitch? Fuck you, officer. It's the first officer I ever cursed out in my life.
So, he gets a pass, guys. Yo, you see that?
Wow, my wrist is much like skinnier now. Look at it. Look, my watch is like
You should
moving.
handcuff yourself.
Look at this. My watch would never be able to like rotate around on the same buckle thing that I put on.
It really was, right?
It was never
That's
like
crazy.
that. I have to tighten it now. Thank you. You just made it loose.
You should get a big handcuff, wrap it around your waist.
I was just about to say that. Oh my god.
I can't breathe. That's the funniest shit in the world. Oh god. What you think, guys?
That's funny, huh?
I'm gonna buy you a fucking handcuff to wrap around your waist. Yo, how you finish the whole fucking pack?
You finished the pack, you fucking pussy. I don't know what you did. Damn, this was the full pack. We got 3 left, and we're not even like a minute away.
We're 5 minutes away. I see the fucking cop lights up there. Something's going on over there. Like, they can't fucking move the car that fucking broke down or crashed or whatever. What the fuck? Can I get the key?
We need snacks.
The key.
We need snacks, boy.
Where the fuck is it? It's in here. Smith & Wesson.
Show us the view. Show us your traffic.
It's like a dead fucking stop.
We're in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, don't come here.
We're in
Traffic is fucked
Transylvania. Whoever saw that movie, Transylvania, the cartoon movie, is it good? I always hear about it. Have you watched it?
up. Nope. I don't watch gay flicks.
Punch buggy, no punchbacks.
Fuck you, I got my
Punch
license.
buggy, no
I got my
punchbacks,
fucking license,
motherfucker.
Faggot. I got my fucking license. You're the one without your fucking license.
Why you did that? Why you gotta play the game? Why you gonna cheat like that?
What you mean?
Don't do that. You made me
I
hit
told
my
you I got
fucking
my
hand over
fucking
here.
license. Stop.
Jump.